right, we are at Prescott today with Anthony and Chris, if we can find them on the mountain. We are at Bean Peaks, Prescott. First time on this mountain. Oh, and all of these amazing berms, I gotta ease into them. First, I haven't ridden them for quite some time. This is May 2nd or 3rd, 2025. Oh, I'm braking on the most fun parts. Woohoo! Anthony's shredding. Oh my God. Oh man. Oh. Whoa! We gotta be careful here. A lot of speed. Wow, so much fun. Yahoo! Oh man. Oh, first run, we gotta be conservative. You gotta be conservative on the first run. Oh, gotta control the speed. Oh man, too much fun. I should have watched the YouTube video on how to do the berms. I feel like I didn't get any preparation to do the berms. Where does your eyes look? No idea. Yeah. That was awesome.
That's cool, man.
Woohoo! A lot of fun. Fun, fun, fun. That was fun. Much better berms second time around. Much better berms second time around. Ooh, Anthony. Ooh, gotta control it. What was that you just did? Beans and fries, green beans, beanie baby, baked beans.
Beans. Just end on the beanie baby, huh?
All right.
Pick the baby one today.
Okay.
The other one I like good.
Yeah.
Just so much new. I don't know if I've ever taken this.
All right. Adventure. Baby beans, beans, baby. We'll see. Never been on this, so. Yeah, baby. Baby beans. Baby beans. Whoa. Baby beans. Definitely ain't no baby. Uh-oh. Whoa! Rocky rock. Yeah! Whoa! Fun! Fun, fun, fun! Yeah, baby! That was so awesome.
That was a fun trail. Fun trail.
Oh.
That concludes.
That concludes the day at Prescott Bean Factory. The Bean Factory. That was fun, man.